I pushed her out in 10 minutes. Ignore my crazy bun. I delivered baby girl on her due date. Days leading up to her arrival, I just felt a lot of pressure, but I didn't really think much of it. That was just like normal. At some point I was even like, is this coming? I just don't feel anything. On the morning of my delivery, I woke up at 5 a.m. because I had to go to the bathroom number 2, and that was very unusual. As soon as I got back to bed, I started feeling what I now know were contractions. A few weeks before that, we went to a birthing class and they told us to download this contraction app where you start tracking your contractions. After literally 5 minutes, the app was like, go to the hospital. We were like, this is crazy. That was 5:30 a.m. I went to take a shower under really hot water because I just felt so much pain. It was just intensifying. Thank God our hospital bags were ready. Just started, my mind was, I didn't see anything anymore. I was just taken over by it completely. And I don't know if everybody feels the same pain, but I felt like, and I don't want to scare you, but I felt like this was just very intense. On the way to the hospital, I was just closing my eyes and just breathing so heavily. That's what really got me through that entire experience. As soon as we got in, they admitted me into the room where you were delivering. I was already 3 centimeters dilated. That was 7:30. The nurses started to come in and like prep me for everything, and they asked me about my birth plan, and I said, I just want an epidural now. They're like, okay. They put a bunch of stuff on my stomach and whatever. We're looking at my contractions on the screen, and they saw that they were just so strong. And I was like, I just need this epidural. I started crying at some point. I thought that I'm gonna be embarrassed to breathe, like at that point you're just gonna do anything to kind of let your body go through the motions. Looking back on that day, it just felt like an out of this world experience. It took them so long to give me an epidural, 2 hours, maybe even more, because I told Wes to take a picture of me after the epidural, and that was 10:10. And then my epidural didn't work. It just worked on one side of my body. They said that happens sometimes. Might be because I have scoliosis. So I was like, okay, just give me more, because I still feel every single contraction. It was already 6 centimeters dilated. I was dilating a centimeter per hour. Even though I was so upset that my epidural didn't work properly, I think that really helped me push her out. Oh, baby, yes, we're talking about you and how you came to the world. When you're feeling contractions, it's like more like up here. Once you were ready to deliver, it's all the way down. My doctor was obviously at the hospital. He checked on me and everything. I love my doctor. If you want details, DM me and I'll let you know who I went to. But I was 10 centimeters. I was ready to push, and he was in the middle of a C-section. I was like, oh my God. And they went to get him, but he was literally operating. So I had to wait a little bit. Once everybody got there, I pushed her out in 10 minutes. Everybody's asking how, give me your secrets. I don't even know how to explain it. I just felt like I know what part of my body I need to push from. Also, when you get to the hospital, you're signing a bunch of documents, and one of the documents was, if we need to use a vacuum, you are giving us permission to do so. And I just didn't want her to be sucked out with a vacuum. It's like fully necessary, but she was positioned right, everything was fine. So I'm like, I just needed to get this done. You were like holding your legs. Wes was standing right here and everybody's cheering you on. Obviously, I would say like, I can't do this, but you can do it, girl. Like, you can do this. Body's literally made for this. I was pushing so hard. My entire face was, I think my capillaries broke. Also, I was going to a chiropractor twice a week. I don't even know how many weeks before delivery. That might have helped. Did the dates, raspberry tea, but I have no idea which one of these was like the most important thing. I think it was a combination of everything. And they're like, we see her, just one more push. And that was it. The feeling of holding her for the first time, I could even cry right now. Yo, these hormones are no joke. It was all the pain that I was telling you about, everything is just gone. There's nothing, I can't explain this in any other way. I felt so strong. I felt so empowered. Giving birth is one of the most life-changing experiences. Packed a whole bag. I had no time for anything. But yeah, that was my birth story.